Good evening, students. I think you're seeing me in a different dress this time, right? So I wish to just inform you all. I'm really proud. I'm really privileged and proud to inform this. So I have joined as an educator in Unacademy Plus, right? So basically, this don't expect this to be, ma'am has joined in Unacademy Plus, World of Chemistry. Don't worry. I'll just clearly explain main reason for me joining. See, World of Chemistry is that channel which I have started with a passion. Yes. So the channel is going on wonderful because of you all, isn't it? Grade 10, 11, 12, JEE, NEET, all are there in this platform. So the WOC is my pet, my favorite pet if I have to tell you. Without WOC, without you all, there is nothing, isn't it? So apart from that, I felt, one fine day when I got a call from this Unacademy Plus, that is your Plus platform, remember that? They have explained me clearly what actually are the strategies, what actually are there, what are the different courses in that. So normally whenever a student joins, I keep seeing students saying that, ma'am, is there any channel like World of Physics? Is there any channel like World of Maths? They are trying to find different channels in different places, isn't it? So when I saw all the courses of Unacademy, I really felt it is a blessing for the students. Why? Once a student enrolls or once a student enters into that platform after subscribing, the main thing is this particular student is exposed to n number of things in that particular course. Like suppose if you are a CBSE grade 11 students, you are there, you have entered into that particular platform, you can access courses by the top educators like DC Pandey, who is also an educator like us. He is there in the Plus platform only. So here as a student of grade 11th, when you are joining, you can also access grade 12th, all the courses rather. Commerce courses are there, even the physical education is there, in English writing skills are there, reading skills are there. When you take the sciences, separately you have physical chemistry, different mentor, organic different, inorganic different. You also have mentors who are going to take or educators who are going to take at the weekend. Here one advantage for the student is, if you are planning, suppose after CBSE you want to prepare for your like engineering exams are there, math exams are there, GMAT is there, UPPSC is there, lot of courses are there in that. So the students who JEE, that is your IIT section also is there separately, NEET section is separate. Like that, they have taken all the top educators of the country and they have designed a perfect course for that. So when I went through all these things, what are there, I really felt students who are there or students who feel that I need complete education. Suppose you are a grade 12 student, maths, physics, chemistry, or maths, physics, biology, chemistry is that. So here as educators, we feel that immense satisfaction when we teach students who have that passion, isn't it? So that is the reason I just felt, okay, I'm going to share my knowledge with more and more students. Here WOC is one platform, as I said, which is my pet and my heart also. I have put my 100% into WOC, that is your World of Chemistry. Now I have one more which I'm going to equally balance. But remember, WOC platform is something which is created, which is going to continue, not this year, not 5 years, not 10 years, till I become old. That channel is going to continue. I promise that. Maybe 1 or 2 days I'll be late, but I see that whenever I find a topic is important, I'll 100% upload that for you all. Right. So that's one thing. So here, suppose if you wish, as I told you, you have equal chances. There are plus classes in Unacademy. They are free courses. Here, when a student goes, see in Unacademy, what advantage is I observed, I'll tell you. Suppose I'm teaching. See, for me, I'm going to start my classes from Monday. Okay, Monday my timings are from 6 to 7:30. So every day 6 to 7:30 is my chemistry slot. Very beautifully they have designed the curriculum there. Suppose a student is coming back from the school at 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock rather, you can schedule yourself from 6 to night 10 o'clock. English, physics, chemistry, maths, like that, all are scheduled. There we will be doing like, I have planned like that. Rather everybody in there, they'll be doing concept maps, they'll be solving NCERT questions, will be given chance to live, this is a live class basically. Plus is a live class. So students will be there with us. You have a chance to ask question then and there. You have a chance to, the educator has a chance to solve the question then and there. Like that, a platform or a huge platform is created where students are there with the teacher. Every student is given certain like this teacher, okay, this is one slot, one teacher, the students, any number of students in that. Nicely you can sit, you can listen to the live class, and the important thing is after the live class is over, whatever video is there, it will be downloaded as a PDF. You can take that PDF, every video PDF will be available. That PDF you can download and take a printout also. So notes also are ready, which are made by the educators. Live class also is there. Every third day there's a doubt clearance session. So this also I felt really good, right? So doubt clearance session where students can ask their doubts, all the doubts will be cleared. NCERT in text and back questions are solved, concept mappings are given, the educators will give motivational videos. That means once you enter, you have accessibility to maths, physics, chemistry, biology, physical education, psychology, arts, commerce, economics, what not. So this is a platform which I felt I can share my knowledge. Basically every educator has one thing. What is that? If I have to tell you, 99%, if you are really true to your profession, we will have one passion, that is sharing knowledge. Whether it is WOC or whether it is Unacademy Plus, here we as educators, we try to share our knowledge with the students, so that with this knowledge you grow up more and more. You grow up, finally end of the day, what is important? You have to settle in life, isn't it? So we have crossed that barrier. We have chosen the noble profession, that is teaching, and with this teaching skills and by God's grace and your support, we are trying to go further. So if you are wishing or if you are planning to join Unacademy, I'm telling you, this is a beautiful platform. Remember, this is a lockdown period where you can avail the time properly. All the subjects I have started. We have started in full course. December we are going to complete everything and keep it in front of you. Yes, and as I said, every educator will have a referral code. This is a referral code. Okay, every educator will have a referral code. My referral code is Vani10. Okay, so when you go to the subscription, ma'am, how to subscribe, everything, all the details will be given at the end of this video. You can watch a clear video will be there, what are the prices, everything will be there. Here basically remember one thing, I'm not trying to advertise or promotional video or something. What I'm trying to tell you, there you have a wide range of top educators where you can balance all the subjects at one platform, or you can balance all the subjects under one roof. So here WOC, as I said, it is never ending. Even if I'm 80 years, I'll try to upload that video. That is my passion over WOC. At the same time, I request you, for the students who are struggling to buy books, or you have to go buy books, procure, you have a confusion of which book I have to buy. Nothing to worry. You go subscribe. You can use this referral code Vani10. When you subscribe, they'll ask any referral code. You can type this. If you type this, immediately what happens, you will enter and you will see a beautiful world there. I really felt, I went everything, I read everything, what are there, what is the feasibility, what will happen, everything. Beautiful it is. So students, this is my video which I want to proudly say I am now a part of Unacademy Plus. They call me as Unacademy Plus educator, right? So under the CBSE category, grade 12. There are 11th, there is 10th, there is 9th also in Unacademy. And one more interesting thing, they have planned a curriculum not for this year, 2021, 2022, 23, 24 also. They have completely fixed and they have told you, if you want to be, this is what you need to pay, and you can enjoy all the courses. Every course, there is nothing to go and enroll. Once you enter, you're open to all the courses. So please remember, if you want us to see in WOC what happens, if I have to tell you, 99% I have done. But there we're going to put some more extra effort. We'll be doing, as I said, all the things in a detail, in a perfect manner we are going to do. So WOC, my pet, my favorite, my heart will be there along with that Unacademy. So I wish you will all use this referral code Vani10 when you come into the lesson Unacademy. Watch the last video till the end, you watch everything, you'll get. Further, if you have doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. I think I'm going to see my students, but remember, never leave WOC. WOC is my heart. I am telling you so many times, don't leave that. But for further and further more courses like physics, other maths, biology, you can join an academy also. I'll meet you again there. So please, my request is, don't forget to use this referral code for that. Thank you so much. Stay happy. See you soon in an academy, and never leave WOC. Thank you.
Hello educators. Today we have introduced some really new features in the CBSE category, and in this video I'll be explaining you what are the new features which we have added in form of subscription model, in form of value offering. So let's get started. So as of now, whenever a learner wanted to take the subscription, he had four models with him, four plans, which was for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. Going forward, we have discontinued the 3 month plan for class ninth and for class 10th, whereas it will still be available for class 11th as well as for class 12th. Another change here is the 1 year subscription, which was earlier available for 12,500, will now be available at a higher price of 15,000. But now, another change to that subscription model is that whenever a learner took a subscription for class ninth, he only got access to all the live classes and the study material which is available for his specific goal. Going forward, he will be getting access to not just class 9 but also for all the remaining years of his school duration. That means for class 10th, 11th, as well as 12th. So as of now, I repeat, a learner would only used to get, upon subscribing for class ninth, only got access to the live classes and the study content material for class ninth. But now, if he takes a 1 month subscription, or even if he takes a 6 month subscription for class ninth, he will get access to all the live classes which are happening in 10th, 11th, as well as 12th. Same goes for a learner who's in class 10th. Let's say if he took a 1 year subscription in month of July, that subscription would end in July 2021, where at which point in time he would actually be in class 11th. So to solve the problem of the subscribers who want to join an academy right now, we are going to extend this their subscription until their next academic year as well. So this subscription, if he takes the subscription for any class 10 students for 1 year right now, would extend even when they're in class 11th. And in order to even make the class 12th very much relevant for them, we have introduced some three new models which are for 2 year, 3 years, and 4 years. So for any student who's actually in class ninth, he will be getting access. If he takes a 4 year plan, is basically associating with an academy from his class ninth until his class 12th. And if a class 10th student will actually take a 3 year subscription, it will be for class 10th, 11th, as well as 12th. Whereas he would start getting access to all the contents right from the day one he takes a subscription. And if you go ahead and actually look at these prices for these subscription models, it is very, very economical for any learner. For 4 years, he would only have to pay 40,000, and the entire uh, mentoring fees, which would be, it's basically come down to about 10,000 rupees a year, which is very less, which is equivalent to about 6 months of our current subscription plan. So if you see from economical perspective, it would be a very effective and a cost-effective plan for any learner. And in terms of value offering, for any inquisitive learner who is in class ninth, 10th, 11th, they would be getting access to all the remaining years which are there in their school duration. And one important point to note here is, let's say if a student is there in class 10th and he takes a subscription, the content for class ninth will not be available. It's only a forward going model, but not a backward going model. So that is something which uh, is a catch here, but apart from that, it will be a completely complete CBSE offering for any student whenever he is there. So consider it like a school that when a student has joined in for class ninth, he will be exposed, he will have access to, and he can definitely go around and check all the classes for class 10th, 11th, and 12th. Although, if it's out of his syllabus, if he wants to join and if he wants to be a part of a class 10th lecture, he would have the liberty and the freedom to do so. And but the subjects which he would be learning for his own goal, they would still be relevant, but he can still go around, see what it would feel like to be in the next year. Maybe if they want to plan ahead, there could be different ideas. So this kind of subscription model would increase our value offering to a very good extent, and invite a lot of learners which are really inquisitive to learn more and more about the next courses, upcoming courses, which they would be getting in the next year, in the next year curriculum as well, which would be relevant. And this would also enable us to promote and actually encourage learners to take these subscription models, which are for 2 years, 3 years, and 4 years. Because not only they're very economically affordable, but they're very, very useful for any learner. So these are the primary changes. However, if you want to understand that if subscription taking process has changed or not, that remains completely same. There would be no difference to the process where a subscription is taken. Just like the normal old model, if a subscriber has any referral code, they can use the referral code here. They would get the same amount, the 10% discount. For example, as you can see, there is a subscription. They've got the 10% discount on using a code, and this is our final price. So there would be no difference for it. However, for 36,000 after using this code, a learner who's taking a subscription for class 9th, he's again, I repeat, getting access to all the content from class 9 to class 12th. So I hope this explains the entire new subscription model. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us. Thank you.